Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul today. I hope you guys are excited as I am. I hit the makeup jackpot. I've not been able to find very many new LaColors things lately anyways. Everyone's been hauling them. And that day when I went to the Dollar Tree, there was hardly anybody there. And the shelves were stocked with LaColors new stuff. So I got several things to try and review and do swatches for everybody. They did have several of the items completely in stock with all the new stuff in the line, but I was kind of choosy on some things that I picked only because I knew I wouldn't use some of the other stuff. This is like a beauty item, so I'm going to show it first. The Spa Naturals Vitamin E Beauty Oil. I thought that I would try this. I do have two non-LaColors items also that are makeup related, so I'm going to share those as well. I got the Blamtastic Skin's Naturally Committed Super Blam Lip Balm. I don't know, it says it has a yummy natural flavor. I don't know about all that, but honestly what drew me to this is that adorable polar bear. Let's be real. It looks kind of strange, but I'm excited to try it out. They also had Wet n Wild stuff there that day, and I picked up a mascara. This is the first time I've seen the Mega Wear mascara there. And it's in Very Black. So, it says Enhance and Define, and Clean Definition, Full Healthy Lashes. We'll be the judge. But I like the brush that it's advertising. For $1, yes. Oh, like I said, I got all this LaColors stuff for reviews and tutorials, and I am just so excited to try this stuff out. Some of it, like their eyeliners and stuff, I've tried in the past, but we'll see. I wanted to see if they've changed the formula up. So with that being said, we'll start with the eyeliners. They did have a navy, a black, and a brown. I did not grab those. I grabbed the two that I thought that I would use because I already have a favorite brown and black eyeliner, and I mean, I already know that LaColors isn't like super black as my Milani eyeliner. So I passed on those. But I did pick up the purple one. These are in new packaging as well. I like that the packaging has more colors to it and stuff versus the older packaging. These say they are long-lasting wear, smoother, rich color, and easy to blend. We shall see. That's why I wanted to try all this stuff for you guys. And I also got the white one. Can't not pick up the white one, to be honest. Yes, the purple and white auto liner. We're definitely going to try out. I do have a few of their pencil liners, and I like those pencils better than I like the auto liners. So I'm hoping they've changed something with these, and I am excited. So excited to do reviews. Now, I saw everyone haul these color balms, and they had all of them. They had the orange, they had the red, they had the grape, or well, the purple one. Ton of them. I only got the two that I thought that I would personally use, and you don't have to have all of the stuff in a new line to review it. So the first one I got is the LaColors Color Balm Tinted and Scented. I've already seen somebody open these on camera to know that they're not super tinted, and that's great. I am excited to try this one because it's in vanilla. This one's Vanilla Bean. They're kind of a weird triangle shape. And hopefully these are like the Maybelline Baby Lips, to be honest, but a cheaper alternative. And I used to be in love with those. The only one that I can really stand now is the mint one. And I got mint. It says Mighty Mint hashtag. But yes, so a weird triangle shape also, like it said. So I got mint and vanilla. These are the two that I see myself using the most, and will probably enjoy the most out of all the ones that they have to offer. I'm hoping these work great. Now, the next item I'm going to share with you guys, I have no idea how many different palettes are available. these are just the two that I found. And Connor's playing Roblox, you guys, so you're gonna hear him making noise and role playing in the back. So if that's not your thing, you can click out, but it's what it is. Filming with a child, hashtag mommy life. So the first one I have here is, they say these are new, and I've never seen this kind of packaging before, so I believe that they are. And you have like some natural kind of shades, some neutral shades, and you have that beautiful navy shade in there. I like how sleek this packaging is. I really like that. And these look, from the packaging, look great. I mean, I'm sure that this combination of shades you can find in many other of their eyeshadow palettes and stuff. But it's LaColors, so I mean, you're only losing $1 if you don't love it. And yeah, it's not a big deal. I'm excited though. The next one's called Joy. This one has some neutral, those natural kinds of shades. It has a light pink and has a purple at the end. They said these are must-have eyeshadows. Maybe they took shadows from their other palettes and put them in these palettes as a way of saying, like, these are our most loved shadows, you know, blah blah. I don't know the situation. I haven't even read, but they say you can use these individually for subtle looks or natural look, or blend it together for a more dramatic look. But of course. But I got Peace and Joy. Those are the only two I found. Once again, I'm loving their new packaging. And I really love how sleek these are. Nice and compact and great for purse carrying. The last three items I have are the matte liquid long wearing lipsticks. I've heard great things about these. I initially picked up one and I was like, this is the one I'll wear. I have many shades like it, but this is the one I'll wear. Then I had to circle back around and I just grabbed all the colors they had. They only had 3 different ones to choose from that day. I do not know how many of these are in that line, but I picked up 3. Let's start with the one that I think that I will probably wear the least, but I grabbed it anyways because I've heard great things about them. You already know that I like the lip gloss Pout Matte lippies from LaColors, so I'm hoping these will be even better than those. And these are lipsticks, so I am excited. This one's called Kiss Kiss, and it's kind of a toned down brighter pink, but it's still kind of a bright pink, so, but more on the wearable side. It's a beautiful shade. I just don't see myself wearing it as much as the other two that I'm going to show you. So that's that one. The next one's called Kiss Don't Tell, and it's more of like a mauve-y pink, but still on the brighter side of that, if any of that makes sense. But I really loved this one as like an everyday kind of a lippy thing, so we'll see. And last but not least, my favorite, and it's called In the Mood. This is a deep kind of burgundy shade, wine kind of shade. What's not to love? I love this one. Don't have no swatches or anything, but I am in love with this shade. All around, from all brands. This is like my shade right now. We're going into spring and I'm still wearing this shade. I just love it. But yeah, that's the last one I got. That's all for the LaColors haul. Let's put these together though, so you can see somewhat differences between the shades. These two are similar, but this one is definitely brighter. Man, I can't wait. But stay tuned for more Dollar Tree hauls. As always, don't forget to check that description box for lots of additional Dollar Tree links to tie you over to my next Dollar Tree video. Yes, stay tuned for the reviews to these products. They will be an upcoming Dollar Tree review video. Thank you guys for watching, as always.